Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see one of our popular kit, metal detector MK-018. Metal detector is an useful device to locate the magnetic object buried underground or embedded in the wall or hidden in the cloth. The principle of this detector is based on the property of the metals to absorb the magnetic energy when the metal is placed in the magnetic field. Let us see the circuit diagram of the metal detector. This is an oscillator, this is a rectifier circuit, this is a comparator circuit, and this is the amplifier circuit, and this is output. The circuit consists of the Colpit oscillator formed by transistor T1, capacitor C1, C2, C3, surge coil L1 and R2. The frequency of the oscillator is around 300 kHz. This oscillator produces electromagnetic field around the surge coil L1. The output of the oscillator is fed to the rectifier circuit formed by IC1 LM358. Half of the IC. The rectified output, DC output of the rectifier is given to the second half of the IC. It is compared by reference voltage fed by potentiometer P1. Here the second output is used as a comparator. Voltage level of the reference voltage is fed by preset P1. When any metal comes in the vicinity of the surge coil L1, it absorbs the magnetic energy produced by the coil. This action will be effectively damp down the oscillations, thus the change in the amplitude. The damping action changes the DC voltage level of the rectifier output. As soon as the voltage level crosses the preset reference level, the comparator output will change. The comparator output is connected to the amplifier circuit formed by T2, T3 and T4. This will drive the LED as well as the buzzer, even the relay, to indicate the presence of the metal in the vicinity of the surge coil. This is the part list for the kit. Now let us see the parts required for this project. This is the PCB required for this particular kit. This is the coil and this is buzzer. This is IC and all these are miscellaneous components such as resistor, capacitor and transistors required for this particular kit. Now let us see how to assemble the kit. This is the PCB required for the kit. First you have to assemble resistor, all the resistors like this way as per the ident marked on the PCB. Keep the leads at the right angle. Then insert IC socket. Then you insert the transistors like this way, then the capacitors, and at last buzzer and the coil. In this way you can finish the assembly by soldering all the components at the downside. This is the final assembly of the kit. See the folder, this is the coil, this is the buzzer, this is the IC, and now let us give supply positive to the red wire and negative to the black wire and test it. Let us see the demo. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2 second floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.